Learn how to forgive your family. Learn how to forgive yourself. Learn how to forgive everyone around you for not knowing about this. Forgive everyone, and have an open mind. Learn as much as you can, and don't be mad. Don't be mad at the market. Don't be mad at your family. Don't be mad at other people for not knowing about this and not teaching you earlier. That was one thing that kind of set in me once I found Forex, you guys. It's like, I can't believe this amount of money and this vehicle is available. People literally can live off of just trading in the foreign exchange market. They don't have to do anything. They get up, look at their desk, and go to the charts and look at the price action movement for the day, and then that's it. I did want to just get into money management for you guys real quick, because this is another very important part about the Forex and IML that I didn't learn anyways from my mentors in the Dallas Houston area. Okay, money management is extremely important. This is how you gain money in anything, in any field, you guys. You have to, your money coming in has to be much more than the expenses that you're paying, right? If I have $500 coming in, I need to be able to keep some of it in order to be making a profit. Let's say it costs $600 for me to run things, okay? Just for my light bills, for XYZ. I need to be having more money coming in than what I'm paying in order for me to be building and growing. It's the same thing when it comes to the foreign exchange market, you guys. This is a part of the reason why, you know, the market, the structure of IML is sort of, it's a little wanky, it's a little weird, you know. You're uncomfortable with the debt to income. You're uncomfortable with the return of investment that is required for you to feel comfortable. If you're paying $374 a month, you guys, $374 a month, we're gonna do a little math real quick, okay? There's 30 days in a month. We're gonna average it out, 30 days in a month, and you're only going to be able to trade 5 days out of the 7 days in a week, okay? So let's say it's 4 weeks in a month, you guys, and it's 7 days. Let's actually just do 28 days, okay? In 28 days, because 4 times 7, 4 weeks, 7 days, you got that. We're gonna take out we're gonna take out 2 days out of a week, and there's 4 weeks, so we're gonna take out 8 days out of the 28. So that means that you only have 20 days. We're gonna divide 374. The reason why I did 374 is because that's the highest membership that you can get, that gives you access to all the strategies and stuff like that. So we're gonna divide 374, divide that by 20. You need to be making on average $18.07 every day, just to break even, you guys. Just to break even. That's not counting profit. That's not profit. You say you can make all this money, but if you're spending $374 every month, you need to be making in at least $18.07, 70 cents. Apologize, 70 cents every day, just to break even, you guys. Okay. So when it comes to the market structure, and they said that you can get your fee waived by bringing in other people, just as hard as it was for you to get over that mental hump for you to even pay that money, you've got to convince 2 other people to do that. Not only do you have to convince 2 other people to do that, but their combined income, whatever membership that they buy, that combined has to equal a certain amount of money. I didn't even really pay attention to it. I should have paid attention to it a little bit more, but I didn't want to do the bring in other people, because people were telling me you have to have like 2 people and their monthly income has to be like $500 or something like that for it to get waived. So you can have 2 or 3 people, but if their money isn't combined enough to bring in 500, if they're not paying $500 combined like monthly, then you're not going to get that waived. So you're going to be paying $374 a month for a long time. You're going to be losing $18.70 every single day, unless you can make that up. So now that we've got our daily goal of $18 just to break even, let's say you want to make $100 in profit a month, okay? 474. You need to divide 474 by $20 or 20 days. Okay, you guys, this is the math that we're doing. You're trying to figure out your return of investment. The money that you're bringing in has to be more than what you're putting out. Not to mention, if you're doing 0.01 lot sizes, you guys, that's 1 cent per pip. That is not a lot of money. But what they do tell you is you need $100 per lot size, per 0.01. Okay, so if you only have $100 that you're trying to trade with, that means that you should only be trading with a 1 cent lot size. 1 pimp is 1 cent. So in order to make your daily goal of $18.70, you need to get 1,870 pips if you're trading on a 0.01 lot, micro lot. If you're trading on a micro lot, you need to get 1,870 pips that day. Straight profit. Not to mention what you're going to lose, you guys. You're going to lose. The market is going to go up and it's going to go down. You're going to buy when you should have sold, and you're going to sell when you should have bought. It's just going to be like that, you guys. So what I like to do, what I did do is I like to start with $1,000. I'd rather start with $1,000, you guys. And I know it seems a little unfeasible for some people like that, but 1,000 is a comfortable number where you can make decent money. You can actually break even with that. You can break even with 100, 200, 300, 400. You can. But it's a lot harder, and the average person is not going to do that, especially when this archaic knowledge or something like that seems to be only for the few. Everyone else is making money around you except for you. But are they really making that kind of money? That's what you really got to be paying attention to. It's a lot of cap. It's a lot of cap in the markets, you guys. And I just wanted you guys to understand money management. It is so important to bring in more money than you're putting out. I'm not down talking IML or anything like that. It is a wonderful structure, you guys. It's wonderful people in there. The instructors are amazing. The people that are actually trading and stuff like that. But I did just want to show that to you guys. It's about money management. This is part of the reason. I bet you're confused as to why, like, oh, this is such a good thing, but why does it feel so shady? Why is this so? Because you are in essence losing money. It's an investment. If you are uncomfortable with your money management and the money management scheme in this, you guys. So I just wanted to bring a little clarity into it. If you are looking into Forex, it is a wonderful, absolutely wonderful tool. You need to learn the mechanics and the math behind it, though, you guys. If you're paying $374 a month for the membership, you need to be bringing in $18.70 just to break even every day in a month, you guys. It's about $20 a day, and I will tell you that is not that easy to do in the market, you guys. But it is not impossible. That is the other thing, you guys. So I just want you guys to do the math a little bit, work with your mentor a little bit with that. If they don't like what you're saying about the money management and they don't have a good answer for you about that, hey, it's each his own, right? I hope this helped out you guys.